Hello, good day and welcome to Gnss. My name is Edwin, and on this video I'll be showing you how to do the PPP. So if you're on site and you probably do not have a base station or you're not within the reach of any call station, you can use the PPP function in our Sinognss receivers to do your surveys, and it's going to give you an accuracy of 10 cm to 40 cm. So with that, you can use it for your cadastral surveys and other GIS survey. So we'll be making use of our Sinognss P6 handheld RTK receiver, RTK tablet, sorry. So this is a controller that has a receiver attached to it. Now you can connect it to a base or a call station using internet mode, or you can use it to do your PPP directly without any base. So we'll explain how to do that in a minute. So just make sure you follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, and as well on LinkedIn. Then subscribe to our YouTube page at Gnss. Then you can like, you can share, you can comment your suggestions about this video. Thank you very much, and let's proceed to the exercise. Alright, so we are going to make use of these gadgets, these tools for our exercise. Now this is a bipod to hold the controller while it is doing the PPP converging. So of course we are going to need our pole, and this is a bracket for our P6 tablet. So we are going to start the exercise now. First of all, we are going to attach our pole to the brackets so that we can mount our receiver, our tablet on top of the pole. Okay, so our tablet is on top of our pole. We will just extend to any height. So I'm going to use 1.8, or sorry, let's use 1.6 for this exercise. So this is 1.6, our pole height 1.6. Then we'll fix in our bipod to keep our pole stable for the time that we'll be doing the converging. Okay, so basically why we had to put the pole on a bipod is because when we are doing the converging, the receiver needs to stay in one place. So if you are using a receiver and a controller, or you are using just the RTK tablet, the receiver needs to stay in one place. So if you are using a receiver and a controller, you can keep the receiver on your pole and put it on your bipod and keep it for one place. So the converging is going to take about 25 to 30 minutes. So we'll start the converging, then by the time it's done, we'll see that it is working. So first of all, we are going to create a job here on our survey master. So we'll go to project, then we'll click on project, then click on create. Now we are going to type in the name of our project. For this exercise, we are using PPP test. Then from here, we need to select you need to select your coordinate system. If your coordinate system is not correct, the PPP will not work. So we are going to user define, change our country to Nigeria. Okay, so we are in zone 31 currently, so I will select zone 31, select 31 and click on OK. So we just need to check if the parameters are correct. So 31 uses 3 correct parameters, so that's okay. We just need, for the last thing we'll do is to activate our joiner model. So this is our joiner model file. Tick it on, click on OK, and that is all. So we are good to go. Create the job. Okay, so now as you can see, we've created the job. The next thing we are going to do is to start the PPP converging. If you check well, we are not connected to any base. That is why the receiver is showing single. So when we start the PPP, it will change from a single to PPP converging. So to start the PPP, we'll go to device. We'll go to device info. You can see this PPP that is here now is closed. So we'll click on it, turn it on, then select PPP only. The data source can leave it as B2b plus HAS, then click on OK. Okay, so we are using our PPP now. You come to topo survey. As you can see at the top where it was showing single before, it is now showing PPP converging. So this will take us like 25 to 30 minutes before it will be fixed. So we will hold on for now, then we'll continue when it has finished converging. So I think the time now is 3:16. So we'll check back again when it is fixed. Okay, so we are back and the time is 3:41 now. So as you can see, the PPP is fixed. That is why it is showing black. As at when it was converging, it was showing gray color and it was showing PPP converging. So now that it's fixed, it's showing PPP. So you can remove the pole. You can remove the pole from the bipod holder now and go about to do your survey. So you just only need the bipod when it is processing the PPP, when it is converging. So once your PPP is fixed, you can keep this one aside, then go around with your receivers to the point where you want to pick. So you just click on survey, and also you make sure you bubble the circular bubble. Go to the next point, click on survey, make sure your bubble is centered before you pick the point. So that is how to do the PPP converging on our Gnss receivers. Even when you're not connected to a base station, you can still use just your receiver alone to do your surveys. So thank you very much and do have a wonderful day.